Today I'm going to show you how to replace cabin filter of Honda CR-V 2015. It is very simple and easy. Basically, what you're gonna do, open the compartment. And you need to push this little tab here. After that, you need to press this both side. And the airflow is going down. After you lower down the compartment, you need to press this 2 tab here. Then, here's the cabin air filter. Take it out. I bought this generic filter at Walmart, and the part number is CF10134. Now let's put the new filter. Now it is set in place. After that, we need to put this lock in place again. And secure the lock in place. That's it, guys. It is quick and easy. You don't need to spend $60 for this cabin filter replacement. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Have a good one.